Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Honor Play 7 and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And as you can see here we have a hotspot icon. We can enable it by tapping on the icon right here, like this, and disable it by tapping the icon again. To set up the hotspot, simply press and hold on this icon to go to the hotspot and tethering settings. Here tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot and we have basic settings right here. We can tap on set up Wi-Fi Hotspot, and now we can tap on network name, change the name of the hotspot. Below we can tap on security to change the security type. You can scroll down, tap on password to change it. You can also tap on show password to make it visible, and at the bottom right here we have select AP band, but we can only select 2.4 GHz. Once you're done, hide this keyboard somehow like this and then tap save to save your settings. And now we can enable and disable the hotspot right here also if you want to, by tapping the slider at the top like that. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.